In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain from Cloudflare. This process is relatively straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, but it's important to follow the steps carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Cloudflare is a popular service that provides a range of tools for managing your website, including DNS management and security features. However, there may come a time when you need to remove a domain from Cloudflare, whether for maintenance, changing providers, or other reasons. Let's dive in. First things first, you need to head over to Cloudflare's website. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to cloudflare.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the domain you intend to remove. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudflare dashboard. This dashboard is the central hub where you can manage all your domains linked to Cloudflare. Now look through the list of domains you have and click on the one you wish to remove. Selecting the right domain is crucial, so double check to ensure you're working with the correct one. After selecting your domain, you will see a range of options available for managing it. You're now looking for something labeled Advanced Actions, typically found in the Settings menu or a side panel. Here, you'll notice an option that says Remove from Cloudflare. Clicking this will begin the process of disassociating your domain from the Cloudflare services. Before confirming your action, it's vital to understand that removing your domain from Cloudflare will mean it's no longer protected or managed by Cloudflare's features. You might lose benefits like DDoS protection, caching, and CDN services, so only proceed if you're sure this is what you want. If everything seems right, go ahead and confirm the removal. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed your domain from Cloudflare. To double check, return to the domain list on your Cloudflare dashboard and ensure the domain is no longer present. This will confirm that the removal process was completed successfully. Remember, it's always good practice to back up any data or settings before carrying out significant changes like this. If you need to re-add the domain to Cloudflare in the future, you'll need to go through the setup process from scratch. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy managing, and I'll see you next time.